guys, with the interior lights, as in downstairs lights on the side of the bed, a few questions as to sort of lights aren't turning on or lights aren't turning off. Just going to run through it with you now. So the lights are set to the doors. So you open a door up, oh, I've locked myself in. Open a door up and the lights will turn on. If you function through the light and turn it off, close your door again, lock, unlock the car. I'm in a new 2024 Troopy. Open the door up, that light won't turn on because I've already programmed it to turn off. It's got a memory in it. Even if I hit the black switch, still won't do anything. So keep that in mind. So yeah, if your lights aren't turning on, open up a door and then just touch it a few times until it comes on again. On the contrary, if you are wondering why your lights won't turn off, as in they're always on like this, and like every time you touch it, it just turns on and off, irrespective of whether the doors are open or closed, you've probably got one of these switches turned on. So there's one at the front, one at the back, which you know about. If even one of them's on, it will keep both lights turned on, or at least it'll give power to the lights. So those black switches essentially trick the system into thinking there's a door open, because as you know, we connect the power for the lights to the doors in order to make them open and close. Bit of technicality behind it. The lights in the Troopy roof and the Defenders as well have a constant power source, so they're always live. The trigger on the door is a negative trigger, and the switch up here is a negative trigger. Not that you really need to know that, but if you are passing this information onto a Sparky or an auto electrician, it's pretty handy to know that stuff. And just while I'm here, the connection for all of that, the wires for this and for the power in the ceiling, runs off the vehicle loom, which obviously powers the lights. There's a wire that connects the existing light before you take the roof off. There's a light in the middle here. That cable runs along top here and then down through this sort of inside gutter. We tap into that, you can actually see it poking up here. So we tap into that and we plug the whole conversion off that cable. So if you're ever wondering where the power is coming from, it's coming from just above here. And you can just reach up and unplug it. If you do want to run all your conversion power off like an auxiliary battery, just unplug the positive, which is obviously red, and then run your own positive cable up to it. Leave the negatives connected to the car, because then your door triggers will still work. That's providing that your auxiliary power battery is earthed to the car as well. So it completes the circuit, but your auto electrician will understand that pretty easily. Cool, thanks.